Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Ethereum has been pumping since we bought it, which is beautiful. I'm going to jump in charts Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my Ethereum trade, my ton trade, where I'm going to set a Bitcoin trade, and I'm going to set up trades on the 10K to $1 million WEX channel. Challenge, which is still at 10K. I had orders set. We bought Bitcoin and Ethereum, then it spiked down. I closed them. They didn't activate the trade on Ethereum, and then Ethereum bounced very heavy. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. You can see my trades right now pumping on Bybit 924. Where I bought Ethereum, my Ethereum trade from 4 days ago is up $29,000 at 3,600, now 4,200. And my ton trade is about 10% up, $3.30 to $3.34. That's $2,000 that 4 cents. It's a big trade. And you can see where I opened my Ethereum trade. We bought at 3,350. Oh no, sorry. I bought at 3,350. I sold at 3,700. I bought at 3,500. Now we're at 4,200. Up $29,000 on that Ethereum trade, which is beautiful. And ton trade, I bought from $3.30 and now it's $3.34, which is beautiful. Let's go into the Bitcoin trades. Technicals, Bitcoin up a little bit, 119,000, having a push up actually yesterday, which is amazing to see. Ethereum sitting at 4,200, so huge moves up in the market this week. On the weekly charts, the week just finished. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy, which it fired back at 23K in 2023, getting the master course. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. Let's go closer. We didn't have much of a pullback at all on Bitcoin. Big support now at 108. And you can see the weekly candle just finished last week with a bullish engulfing candle, which is good to see. Stochastic is heading up. Squeeze Mob heading up. Looks like it's going for new all-time high. This symmetrical triangle I had on Bitcoin is playing out. It's pushing out right now. And yesterday we had a big move actually. Bitcoin went from 116 to 119,000. So it looks like it's going for new all-time high on Bitcoin. Stochastic is still heading up. On the 4-hourly, Stochastic heading up also. I would try to catch it on a pullback to a support. I would take the support here, 116,000. Here is the support, 116. Tight stop loss on the monthly. And take profit to the target, 127. So I'd set the trade like this, 116,000 monthly support here. But it's already breaking out. Look at that. Broke out of this symmetrical triangle. Should have opened a trade actually yesterday when I saw this triangle trying to break out, but it's pushing out. I would get it on a retest. So 116,500, stop loss 115, and take profit 128,000. So I'm going to set that up on both accounts now. So on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, I had trades for Bitcoin at 114, but they didn't activate. We didn't get much of a pullback at all. So I'm going to set one at what I just said, 116,000. 116,500. I'm going to do 3 Bitcoin at 116,500. 3 Bitcoin will cost me $17,000. Confirmed. So that trade is set on Bitcoin at 116. I've got one at 114. 116,500. And on WEX, I'm going to do the same. On my futures account, 10K to $1 million. It's down $440. So I'm going to, I had a trade set at 111,000 and 3,300 on Ethereum. Both of those didn't activate. So I'm going to change this to 116,000. Order price. No, cancel. Cancel all. Okay, I'm going to set it manually. So it's going to be, I'm going to activate the trade at 116,000. And I'm going to do 10,000, which will cost $20,000, which will be $1,000 trade. Open long. So on WEX, I'm opening a long 20x leverage at 100 the trade will open at 116,000. Confirm. That trade is set now, 116,000. And let's go on to Ethereum now. My Ethereum position is pumping, already up 29,000 since we bought it on the 7th, and today is the 11th. So 4 days ago, and it's up $29,000, which is amazing. And TON is just looking like it's starting. So on WEX, I want to set an Ethereum trade as well. Bitcoin, I set one at 116,500 should be. Here I put it 116,500. On WEX, I need to modify it. Modify 116,500. Confirm. So that will activate 116,500. Now let's go into Ethereum. Technicals. Ethereum pushing out also 4,200. Massive move on Ethereum. Wow. Breaking out of this bull flag. We had it on the 4-hourly. On the weekly, Ethereum is broken. It confirmed the position outside of this massive symmetrical triangle. This is huge news, everyone. Ethereum has now confirmed a massive break of this symmetrical triangle, huge pattern that Ethereum just broke that goes back to 2021, and it already broke out. Now we need a retest, and it could run to the target of 7,800. This Ethereum just broke a 5-year pattern. 5-year pattern that broke out to the upside. So huge news. Bull flag is playing out. No pullback, which is crazy. It broke out from this bull flag at 3,600, now at 4,200. No pullback. If taking a trade, I would try to get it from the support here, 3,900, 3,800. Stop loss 3,600. It didn't retest though. That's the issue. It should have retested that breakout, but that was a 4-year break, 5-year break. So 3,800. I'm going to open the trade. I'm going to set it on WEX. 3,800. 20,000. Open long on Ethereum at 3,800. It'll be 5 Ethereum. Confirm. So I've got that 1 million, and there's $1 million challenge going away, 1,500 daily wins, and Bentley away. So Ethereum and Bitcoin set on those on WEX, and my Bitcoin trade set here on my Bitcoin trade set on Bybit. And my Ethereum trade pumping right now, which is beautiful. I'm almost nearly all cash on Bybit. I'm nearly all in cash, but I should have actually held on to Uni, because Uni is also running like crazy. Uni $11. I closed Uni on spot. Let's see where I closed Uni on spot. I closed Uni on spot at, not good. I bought it at $5.80, and I made 45%. I closed it at $9.70. You pull back to $8.70, and then it went for a new all-time high again on Uni. But right now I've got that Bitcoin. Let's check out quickly Uni. $11. Uni is one of my favorites, but it's already ran like crazy. Wow, from the bottom, from when we were buying it in April, it's up already. April 7th, we bought it. We got that move. I took 106% on profits, but now it's up 140%. Looks like a bull flag. On the daily, it's overbought, but inverse head and shoulders on Uni. Shoulder, head, shoulder forming on Uni. Inverse head and shoulders. Target of that inverse head and shoulders would be the base of the triangle. $14. I'll set buy order. I'm going to buy some spot now, and I'll set a buy order for spot at $9.70, and I'll set a buy order of spot at $8.60. That's the best. So Uni, I'm going to buy, say, $20,000 now at the current price. $20,000, and then I'm going to set a limit order buy at $9.70 and $8.60. $9.70. I'll buy another 20,000. No, whoa, gotta be careful. $20,000. 20,000 uni, buy, spot, buy. So I'm going to buy $9.70, another 20,000 uni, and then I'm going to buy $8.60, another 20,000 uni, $20,000 worth. So I've got those spot orders sitting at uni at $8.60, $9.70, and my old one at $6.70, which didn't activate. I've got the Bitcoin trade 116, 114. I've got Ton trade at $2.70. I've got Ethereum 3,300, 3,100. And now I've got $20,000 worth of uni, which I just bought just then. And I'm still mainly almost all in cash at the moment. But you have to do your own due diligence. My Ethereum and my Bitcoin trades, my Ethereum and my Ton trades, both pumping from 4 days ago, which is beautiful. And Bitcoin is pumping. And I've got my Ethereum and Bitcoin trade set on WeX. That's my updates in the market. Join everyone in the Telegram. There's 180 people online. Will James do a video doing it right now? Ethereum pumping. Congratulations, everyone who took trades on Ethereum. Bitcoin, 119,500. Bitcoin pumping. Update. Ethereum hits its highest weekly close since December 2021. It's no wonder the tone in the chat. I've been in it longer than Guru. Even visit at 3 point stand still. Doesn't want to move anywhere. People discussing. Holding positions for 4 months. People discussing, sharing charts. This guy made 359 on Ethereum. There's 180 of you. Thank you. Online right now. Over on WeX, they have $1 million futures season, 3 epic routes to win a Bentley and $2 million. You can join them on WeX. All the links are down below. Bybit, $60,000 bonus. Free Telegram. Take the courses. Crypto Mastercourse, Stock Guru Mastercourse to learn how to set up the charts like me. Trade like me. If you don't know how to set up trades or you're losing money, take the courses. WeX, $200 bonus. KYC free worldwide exchange. And that's my updates in the market, everyone. And follow me on X as well. I've got 109,800 followers on X. This was when I opened the Bitcoin and the Ethereum and Ton trade 4 days ago. And now those are pumping. Ton was pumping a lot more, but pulled back a little bit. However, I think it's going to run, in my opinion, on Ton. Those are my trades. None of this is financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. These are my trades. Try to learn from me. Try to understand what I'm doing. See my gains, my mistakes. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up, thumbs up button, Ton and Bo. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I'm going to try and do Solana and Tesla in the next video. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.